In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Clash Royale game not launching in iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the issue. Next, close the app completely and reopen it. If that does not work, restart your phone. A simple reboot can clear temporary bugs that prevent the game from launching. Next, check for app update. Launch your app store. Search for the game. If you found the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Running an outdated version can cause the app to crash. After that, check your iPhone storage. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and make sure you have enough free space. If your storage is full, the app may fail to open. If the problem still continues, try offloading the app. Find the app Royale Clash, launch it, click on Offload app and confirm it, and then click on Reinstall. This keeps your data but refreshes the app files. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the game completely. Press and hold on the app, select remove, click on delete, select delete, then navigate to App Store, search for the app and download it. And that's it. Following these steps, you should be able to launch Clash Royale on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.